So I've been struggling with this, not knowing in which direction to go. Yes, many artists do. In college they told me, as an artist you have to go in a certain direction that typifies you as an artist. And I thought, how can I decide to do this and why do I even have to decide that? The answer is you don't have it. But if you want people to know you for something specific, then yes, it can help to do something consistent, like an oeuvre. It is a series, an art style that makes you unique. And then you become known for it. I don't know either, man. I don't know what to draw. Okay, let's narrow it down for you. Do you like drawing nature, or animals, or people better? People? Okay, then scratch nature. Whoa, wait. Does that mean you only have to limit yourself to one thing? Maybe you can draw something else later, but for now it would be good to stick to a few things. So the next question is, do you like to draw males or females better? Females, duh. I'm not attracted to males. You don't have to be attracted to your portrait or your painting if you... never mind. Look who I'm talking to. Okay, next question. Do you prefer drawing the head or just the entire body? What do you think? I think we got the answer on that one as well. Let's keep going. Do you like realism better or some comic book style or something? Anime or comic book style. Then you can exaggerate any proportions that you want. Unbelievable. I guess that wasn't so hard to figure out. What about you, Vincent from America? I really don't know. I mean, I have something with drawing portraits, but I love cartoons too. And I like still life drawings. And I am okay at painting. I guess I would do all of them. You can, but at some point you will specialize in something. And then you become known as an artist for that style. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so since I've been doing a lot of drawings with pencils lately, I'm going to do something different. And what is that? Charcoal. A good choice. You can create a beautiful contrast with that.